In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unarchive a channel in Slack step by step. This is perfect if you or your team archived a channel by mistake, or if you need to bring an old conversation back to life for collaboration, reference, or ongoing projects. Slack makes this pretty simple once you know where to look, but the option is hidden enough that many users miss it. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace on desktop or web. Unarchiving channels is much easier on desktop compared to mobile. Once you're inside Slack, start by going to the Channels section in the left sidebar. This is where all your active channels normally live. Next, look for the three dots icon near the Channels section. This is the More Options menu. Click on those three dots, and from the menu that appears, select Browse Channels. This will open Slack's channel browser, where you can view public, private, and archive channels depending on your permissions. Inside the Browse Channels window, look toward the top where you'll see a filter option labeled Any Channel Type. Click on that filter to expand the options. From the list, choose Archived. This tells Slack that you only want to see channels that have been archived and are no longer active. Now you'll see a list of all archived channels in your workspace. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the exact channel you want to restore. Once you find it, click directly on the archived channel name to open it. When the archived channel opens, look toward the top right area of the channel window. You'll see a More Actions option, usually represented by an icon or menu. Click on More Actions and then select Edit Settings from the dropdown. Inside the Channel Settings panel, scroll down until you see the option that says Unarchive this channel. Click on it, and Slack will immediately restore the channel. Once unarchived, the channel will become active again and appear back in your regular channels list, ready for messages and collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully unarchived a channel in Slack. This is especially useful for reviving old projects, accessing important conversations, or continuing discussions that were paused earlier. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.